we're going to need a lot of copper. Why? Well, AI data centers, electrification, and modern infrastructure are all set to push global demand to nearly double by 2035. And with current supply lagging, Kodiak Copper is positioned to help power the world's electrified future.
Microsoft built a data center recently for $500 million, and that single data center needed more than 2,000 tons of copper, and that's only one. At current count, there are more than 1,000 data centers around the world, and of course growing rapidly. What makes copper essential is really its conductivity. Copper is the second most conductive element, and only silver has higher conductivity, and silver, of course, is orders of magnitude more expensive. So when it comes to electrical application, there's really no choice, and copper is the metal.
With demand at an all-time high, how is the industry keeping up?
I would argue it's not, because there simply haven't been many copper discoveries recently. In fact, in the last decade or so, there has not been a very large copper discovery at all. So the discovery pipeline is at an all-time low. We are focused on the MPD copper-gold porphyry project located in a mining district in southern British Columbia. And after 6 years of systematic drilling, we have just come out with a maiden resource, which is a very important milestone for the project. What I'm most excited about with our MPD project is just the potential for growth. All the zones comprised in this resource are still wide open, so we have a very good chance of growing that resource significantly with more drilling. And also important to keep in mind, the resource is on 7 zones, the 7 first targets we worked on, and over and above those 7 zones, there are at current count some 20 further targets with the promise for more discoveries, more mineralized zones, and more exploration upside.
With copper demand surging and new discoveries becoming rare, Kodiak offers investors a chance to get in early in one of Canada's premier copper-gold districts.